Good morning, you guys. It is May 13th. It is 8:29 in the morning. We had CPI news this morning. Looking for a good day. I am currently down about $200 on my funded futures account this morning. Really was down $800, $900 last night. Made some recoveries, but hey, we're gonna see how this market opens here, and we are moving bearish, honestly. So we'll see. I'm looking for a move up, preferably. So we'll see how this plays out here. Really looking for a push up, honestly. Looking for a move to the upside. Here we did have some liquidity, but I really do feel like we're pretty strong on the buys. If not, we're gonna... Okay, we're flushing here, huh? No problem. We're gonna wait and see how this looks. No worries. I really do see a lot of buying pressure. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stay with these. If not, okay, looks like it's not turning out in our favor. No worries. Gotta take it easy. We're breaking through that EMA, but I'm still pretty confident in the position. So I want to see another move to the upside. We did have some pre-market move to the downside. I think that was just to grab some liquidity, and I'm expecting a move up here. So this is the push that I was talking about. This is what I was looking for. Let's see if we can continue with this momentum here. This is very important that we continue with this momentum. Here we go. Continuing with momentum here. It's just one of those things that we got to take a look at. Yep, we're going to keep holding this right now. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to set my sell stop as soon as we get this one other candle to make this push up. So what I was looking for, I want to make sure we ride this pretty much to maybe new highs. Let's see if we can hold this. I'm going to trail my stop pretty tightly because, again, it's a pretty volatile day, so I'm not trying to get too greedy here. So I'm just going to set my stops to about... Oh, no. Okay, I didn't set it there. That was weird. Okay. That was fucking weird. I had set it to take a profit there. Huh. Okay, so that missed my take profit there. So we're going to try one more position here. Another sell stop here. Trying to ride this because, again, we are getting a lot of buying pressure. So that's kind of what I'm looking at here. Again, I'm going to set this to about 390. I'm just going to set it here because, again, I'm not trying to get too greedy. We're up $159. Now, I'm looking for one final push here. One final push. Let's see if we can get this one final push here. I'm going to set stops at these lows mentally here. Yeah, I'm not trying to get too greedy. I'm gonna try and see if I can get some of this piece here. Okay, and we're out of that. 182. So this is that pressure I was looking for here. Now what I was looking for is something like this where I could, yeah, hopefully I caught a little bit of it. I think I might have gotten a little too late. Might have gotten in a little too late. Shoot, I missed that little pop-up. See if we can hold here. Again, I'm gonna just move into these highs. I'm not looking for too much, honestly. Like, again, we got a very volatile market today, and I'm not trying to get, like, fucking punished. So we're just gonna ride these waves here. See how high we are from the highs. I mean, we could break these highs, honestly. I'm seeing something. Really do see something here. If not, we're gonna exit this position. If we can't hold these highs here, I'm looking for a break of these highs. So I think we are super close. Are we gonna push towards those highs? Try one more position here. Last position here. Last position here. No big deal. What I want to do is we got a sell limit here. That's a little bit too high. I want to get above these. Above this break here. It's kind of what I'm looking for. Just a break above these highs. So again, we're just looking for a break above these highs. If not, you know, we're going to have to close this position out. Looks like we're losing a little bit of momentum, but I'm still confident with the news and everything that we have going on that people are, I mean, we're obviously long. I don't see where you could go bearish on this trend, to be honest. I really don't see where you could. I could be completely wrong, but I just don't see it. And so what I'm going to do is I'm not going to play with fire today. I'm just going to go ahead and put this limit here. Again, I'm looking for breaks above these highs. So we didn't catch it. One more try here. Bad position here. Very bad position. So I'm just going to call it a day there, honestly. Really just took a couple trades. Could have rode that momentum to the high, but we were getting way too close. I feel like we're way overextended. And that's just going to be it. I was down last night. If I take a look at... let's see. yesterday. Yesterday was a tough day. I did lose some pre-market. I was down about $1,000 yesterday, and then before I went to bed, I was up. I was no, not up, but I was still negative like 750 bucks. So overall, we did make 1,500 for today, but we're net positive $526. So again, that's where that $1,000 comes into play. Otherwise, I mean, very good day. Not going to worry about it. We're going to let it do its thing. I feel like we're way volatile now. Not really a good place to take any shorts for today. So I would stay away from shorts preferably. I don't see a pullback happening. And that's really about it. So we're up $1,000 total, $526 today on the funded account. So overall, very good day, very good day, very good day. So gonna call it here, boys, and we'll see you tomorrow in the next one. That's it. I mean, $500 a day keeps the job away. So follow me, like and subscribe. You saw it here. Some of these days, I don't want to call this an easy day, but you know, some days the market just blesses you with great moves, and you just got to take advantage of those. Now, I didn't really want to hold too long on this position, so I just took what I could get. We had a great market open, push to the upside, which is what I was looking for. And that's really all we can do is just, you know, push towards market highs. So again, take it easy. It is 8:41 Central Standard Time, up $500. And I have two more combines that I'm trying to pass on Take Profit Trader. They're up $1,800, both accounts. So we're looking great on those. Looking great. Awesome. So if you guys like, subscribe, follow me for more.